How to change Facebook profile name on iPhone. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the Facebook app on your mobile device and just make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Then all you have to do is tap on the three-line menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you tap on it, you will be navigated to Facebook menu, where you will have to scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy option available in there. Once you tap on the settings and privacy, you will get to see settings. Tap on it. Inside settings, tap on the personal informations at the top, account center. Then all you have to do is tap on your name at the top, your profile option available there. Then again tap on your Facebook profile, then tap on the name or username option available there. Then simply change your name according to your preferences. So here I'm changing my name. Once you change your name, all you have to do is tap on the done or save changes option available there. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.